Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Business back with another video. This time I got a special one for you. We're going to be opening 8 Tournament Pack 3 OTS packs from Yu-Gi-Oh! I've been holding on to these every time I go down to the local card shop. They have a thing going on where you spend, $15 and you get a free pack, up to 2 if you spend 30. So I've gone in a couple times, got 8 together, and I figure let's do a little opening for you. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Now, hopefully we get an ulti. I don't think there's a ton worth much more other than the ultis in this set right now. But XYZ unit, Dimension Fortress, Where Art Thou, super rare. Boom, boom. First super. Common super here for you. And the OTS packs, like the ulti rares, are so hard to pull. Let's see. Go your defender. That's a funny little guy. XYZ unit again. Deep Sea Diva. One of the better supers in the set. It's still only like $1 card, but hey. Can't complain. Where Art Thou is also, Where Art Thou is also like $1. So far, $2 in pulls. Oh, that was annoying. All right, Gravity Collapse, Dimensional Prison, Bahamut Shark. Hey, we're getting some of the better supers. I think this one is $1.75, $2. So as far as supers go, some of the better pulls. But what we really need is an ulti. Dimension Fortress Weapon, Bottomless Trap Hole, Spiral Gear Drone. Old Broken Archetype? Not even that old. Right. Spoiled it. Super. Dimension Fortress Weapon. Bottomless. Deep Sea Diva again. 2 of those. Go your defender, XYZ unit, Spiral Mission Rescue. That's nice. Nice. And I think we have 2 more for you. Can we get an ulti? Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. Goblin King, Boss. It's an old card. I don't know why. I really like that one. Ooh. That is cool as hell. I think that's from the 5D show. The, like Signer Dragon. I don't know what it is, but it looks cool as hell. And another Bahamut Shark. And the last pack. Can we do it? Can we do it? Alright, D-Prison. Muddy Mud Dragon. And Scrap Golem. Unfortunately, we could not do it, but hey, we got some really cool supers. All things considered. So let's go through those one more time. Scrap Golem. Shark. Spiral Mission Rescue. Deep Sea Diva. Spiral Gear Drone. Another Bahamut Shark. Another Diva. And a Where Art Thou. And there we have it. Well, thanks for coming by, guys, joining me on this opening. Like, subscribe, hit me up with any comments down below with any recommendations for any future videos or openings, and hope to see you soon. Have a good night.